This is the main frame. This is an accessory. USB cable, power cable, Wi-Fi antenna, indentation tool, knife base, tray plate, baffle, clip tray, pallet installation. The flap installation has different gears that can be adjusted. Install the tool holder, loosen the screwdriver holder and put it down. The protruding slot of the tool holder is stuck under the black O-ring. Tighten the screws. Indentation tool to loosen screws. The card slot is stuck under the O-ring. Tighten. Wi-Fi antenna installation. Find the Wi-Fi antenna interface of the machine. Screw it on clockwise. Connect the power cord. Turn on the power switch. Wi-Fi connection settings. Wi-Fi. Check here. Click scan to find the Wi-Fi you are on. Click settings, enter password, click connect. Wait for the Wi-Fi connection to be successful. After the connection is successful, there will be a string of IP wallpapers on the top of the machine. We recorded and entered into the computer.
First, find the compressed package of the software. Right-click to unzip to the current folder. After the decompression is completed, find the installer and double-click. Click Next. This is the body of the software. You don't need to install it. The second is the installation of the CDR. The third is AI. The fourth is PS. Select the software you need to install and tick in front. Click Next. Enter serial number. Click Next. Select the location where you need to install it. Click OK. Click Next. Wait for the plugin installation to complete. Click OK when done. Select the version you want to install. You can choose all. You can also choose one alone. Click Install OK. OK. Activation software. Tick Done. Click OK. After the installation is complete, CDR will automatically display. If you want AI, you need to turn on AI. Click on the window and select the plugin to display it.
First, we import the file. Here is the print file. Here are the files that need to be cut and indented. Then after coming in, we first select the indentation file. Right mouse click to cancel the grip owner. After cancellation, we first select the path to cut. Then we can click the plugin to choose the same color. Then right mouse button to combine it. After the combination is completed, we click to set it as an outline curve. Then we change it to black. Right mouse button. Then we find the indentation lines. Same click, same select, same color. It is also a right mouse button combination. Then click Set as Control Curve. And then He used two colors, one black to be cut and one red to be indented. And then we'll choose everything. Align it. Print file. When we're done, we'll select everything. Click at edge finding marker point. Point on K. Then we choose Select all documents to print. You can click on the file. Print. You can also click Print in the region. Or save the PDF to print. After printing is complete, we choose All. Point so you can cut output. Click on Color Separation Output. Then we need to divide. The color of our black is for cutting. We will choose black first. Then click Edit. And then you're on the machine. Your carving knife is installed on the left. We'll take the left. If the carving knife is installed on the right, we'll go right. Then click OK. And then red is the indentation. Point at it if we install the indentation tool on the left. We will choose the left knife. If it is installed on the right, choose the right knife. Then we have the black cutting line here. We have installed it on the right. We choose the left knife for this indentation tool. Click to confirm. Then the machine needs to indent before cutting. Then we need to adjust this order. The red one is indented. We need to indent first. We choose red. Press the arrow keys to hit it. Red will be on it. Then the machine will indent and then cut. Then click Apply. Then choose USB plus Wi-Fi here. Wi-Fi connection. We choose Wi-Fi. Enter the machine app address. USB flash drive cutting. Let's click to save the USB stick file. USB connection to our direct selection of USB. Click here to cut. Now. Adjust the baffle distance to the appropriate paper size. Stuff the paper flat. Move the tip. Align the corner of the anchor point.